Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to create your first Odoo module. So what we need, Odoo is installed and running. You have access to the add-ons directory, okay? Basic knowledge of Python and the XML. So choose your add-ons path first. So decide where to place your custom module. So the exact location would be your folder directory, then your project, then custom add-ons. Okay, this is a common location, right? So create it if does not exist. So you have to run this command and it will create a folder named custom add-ons. Here you can see that I have run this command and custom add-ons folder is there. Okay, add custom add-ons part to the odoo.conf. Okay, so just open this with nano. Okay, so just go to the terminal, sudo nano, enter your system password, and here add-ons path you have to update. Okay, so add-ons path, what we have to update add-ons path with this. Okay, add-ons plus this. So just copy this and paste it over there. Copy and paste. I'm going to comment this and adding the new path. Control O, Control A, Control Enter, Control C, Control X. Okay. Moving to the next step. This is done. Save the file and restart the Odoo with the command sudo systemctl restart Odoo. Okay. Done. Moving to the next step, create the module directory. So inside your custom add-ons folder, create a folder of your module. The folder name is modules technical name, no spaces, uses underscore. Okay, so my first module is there. So what I need to do is like this one, I'm going to create new folder, my first module. Okay, now what I need to do is create underscore init underscore py file. Okay, so we have to create this file, Python file. Okay, this file makes the folder with a Python package. Okay, so here I want to create a new file. Okay, control I with, okay, this is done. Python package, my first module, and init underscore dot Python file we have done. Now from imports module, okay, we have to add this. After that, step 5 is create manifest.py. Okay, so let's create this one. This is our module descriptor. Odoo reads this identity of the module, right? So let's create a new file. Okay, manifest, and my first module underscore manifest we have done. Now I'm going to copy this one. This is the identity of the module. Okay, so just add it, right? So my first module, simple demo file, okay, installable, application auto install, okay. Next, we have to move to the create the models folder. So custom add all my first module, then models, okay. So let's create a new file name, not folder we need. So here we need the folder name module models, okay. In the models file name is models init.py, again we require over there. So in the models we have to just go with the initialization of the Python module. So this is our imports my modal. Okay, after that we have to from Odoo imports this models, we have to create another file that is my model.py in the modals. Okay, where we have to add the definition. So this is our from Odoo import fields class. So I'm going to create this one modal right? Okay, so here you can see my model, which what I with the field names, that is name, description, name, that is character, description, text, and there is a active, which is a boolean. Okay, true or false, right? So modal is defined. Okay, next create the security folder and the access rules. So custom add-ons, my first module. Okay, then security folder, then create the security folder over there, security. After this we have to security, we have to create the another file, that is this one. Okay, now this is our permissions, access rules that I'm going to define. Okay, so id, name, model, group, everything. So access my model, access this one with one permissions. Okay, now create the views folder and the xml views. Okay, so my first module, so we have to create a folder named views, right? So here we have to create a new folder named views. Okay, in the views we have to go with the another file, that is my views dot xml, my model views. Okay, so here we have to create the view of that one, which is in xml. Okay, this is a listing, this is form, this is action, this is menu. Okay, so just copy and just paste it over there. Okay, so here you can see that we have the Odoo, this is a list view, we have the list, right, with the name and the description. Then we have a form view. Okay, name and the description. Then we have an action button, list and the form. Okay, menu item would be my first module, and the menu item would be your my model. Okay, let's save this. Okay, next the final folder structure would be my first module, init, manifest, then models, init my model, then security, sscsv, then views. This is that one. Now install the module in the Odoo, restart the Odoo and detect the new module. Okay, so let's restart this Odoo. Done, restart. Now we have to go with another step, that is log into your account. Warning, Odoo database manager is not protected. Udtu security has generated the master password. I think, but here I last time I we have created or restore the database. No, 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 no. But last time I remember I have installed this module. I think maybe the let's check the status of the module. Let me go to the document of it. Okay, so requirement, there is another file. Let me check what's going on. Give me 1 minute. Actually, issue is with the conf file. If I just go and just check that one, so here you can see that there is an empty space. That's why it's not picking up, because we have already set the password, user name, and the database. So this is the issue. So make sure. So this kind of happens. So make sure there should not be empty spaces, right? Okay, so let's move to the next step further. So this is done, and now you can see that now this interface is open. Okay, now I can log in. Okay, this is done. Now restart the Odoo in the browser. Now enable the developer mode, settings, journal settings, scroll to the bottom, activate the developer mode. Okay, so let's go to the settings. we have these settings. Okay, developer tools, activate the developer mode. Okay, general settings, called activate the developer mode, or add debug is equal to 1, and go to apps, update apps. Save, then save, go to our now go to the apps. Okay, and after the apps, update app list. We can also search custom module if here this will not come. Update app list, so here we have to go with update app list, right? So I have to click this one, click on update. Okay, this is done. App update, click on the button, search my first module and click installed. Okay, so in the search my first module, no module found. So here I'm not unable to find the module. Click update below the start process. This is not come. Why? After the installation, verify the should appear in the top navigation. Let me or troubleshooting module not visible. After the update, check add-ons path in the Odoo config includes the custom add-ons folder. XML parsing error, validate your XML file, every tag must be. So I need to check why the module is not showing. Let's take a look of that one. Then I'll update you. Then give me some minutes. Now here you can see that my first module is now showing. The issue is I'm going to explain you the custom modules, the manifest.py. So basically I have created in the add-on custom the root one. I have generated the manifest.py at the root one, not in the custom modules, right? So that's the issue. So in the module we have to create, right? So here you can see that the correct folder structure is like this. My first module, models, security, views, manifest. Okay, so in the custom in the module that you have to create the manifest.py, and this is the way of writing the module. Okay, so this is the mistake that I have done. So make sure this would be your folder structure. And the views, we have the my model views, then security, okay, then models. Okay, so after doing this one, here you will get the mod your activate your first module, then activate this. Okay, if something went wrong, you are really stuck, share the report to your friend, see the technical details. Okay, so Odoo server error occurred at this module, this one of GMT trace ball with this. So this is something issue with the models. Okay, constrain the nanospace and all. So we need to fix that one. After that I'll show you the like how the model look like. Give me some minutes because this is related to our Python and the XML part, right? So if you know that one, the main topic of that one is how to create that module, Odoo module. Okay, so give me some time. I'll fix it. I'll Hello friends, let's solve this issue. So basically what it says that the idle model data violates the check constraint with no spaces. If I go and just check, there are some spaces, so I'm going to remove this. Now I'm going to save it. And if I go and just close it again, activate this module. So here you can see that I can activate this module, right? And the name, I can add Rajnikant. Now I can add Chaudhary. This is test module. This is test module, right? And now we can save. Okay, and now we can go back. my first module. So here you can see that it's there. Now you can do the duplicate, delete, whatever operations you are going to add, you can add new one. Nikon 2 test module. Okay, so now you're going to save this and go to your modal. So here you can see that you will see the listing, right? So we have successfully completed how we are going to create the first module, right? So later on in depth we are going to understand each and everything. You, if you want the module, so do let me know in the comment section. I'll share you with your module and the steps you need. So you can also write me down in the comment section on your mail ID. I'll send you the full source code. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.